let's knock this out. People are probably at church, probably listening from church service today. Let me get this started. This crude oil, crazy week last week on crude oil. That's bullish, looking like 119 and above. Even looking from a daily perspective, it came inside that daily gap. Yeah, that's bullish. Like a 119 above. Yeah, how look on a 4 hour? Mhm. Yeah, bullish is all give it go. Uh, Put a gold. This gold weekly chart. Gold came down to this weekly gap, filled it, and flipped. For me, I'm bullish on gold because for the weekly perspective, because gave me a swing point, meaning that I think gold want to reach up and maybe take out this volume balance up here. I look from daily perspective. I'm looking at this range from this high to this low. Goes already above 50%. That's pushing. From a weekly perspective, I'm looking up, but this daily, it gave me a swing. No, it's not a swing yet. No, not a swing yet. I want to see how the next candle Monday does Monday want to push out, take out this high. If it does, then I believe gold wants this gap here and even higher. I'm going silver. Yeah, silver also too. Silver gave me a weekly swing. It's the first time I've been inside that gap too, so I want to see if it's gonna keep on pushing higher. So weekly. From a daily perspective, mm, you had a decision point because this is 50% of this range from this high to this low. We hit 50% and rejected. Now for me on silver, on this daily chart, this day looks lower. Now I want to see if it's gonna fail to run these lows. If it because this is a swing. This is a lower high to the left, lower. So the likelihood is we're going lower, and all the liquidity is below here, unless it gives a swing. It makes a fail low. So gold and silver looks different. You look at gold on the daily. Gold took out its previous day high and low, external, external. Silver did not. Silver did not take out the high. So even though the weekly looks is telling me it's a swing bullish, I need the weekly. I really wanted to match the daily too. So I want to see a daily swing. Meaning that if we get a candle tomorrow like this, I'll be looking for the next day for silver to uh, go higher and take out, feel this gap fill and higher. Mm. Maybe not far, just in a range. Yeah, range. Yeah. But I'm bullish. Yeah, I mean, I'm bullish, but I want to see what it does. It's the YM. Me looking at this, I'm not bullish or bearish. I don't the higher time frame isn't telling me anything. Because this isn't a swing yet. We still working off this swing when we're going lower. Lower, lower, lower. For me to be bullish, I need a swing low on this weekly. I need this next week's candle to give me this. Then I can be looking higher up into this gap. Until now, I just follow the trend. It's down. But I don't have high conviction because this weekly doesn't give me anything. Like last week, we took our previous week low, but didn't high. Look at this daily, it's in the range. Took out the low, gave a swing, went higher. Gave a swing up here, and this candle right here. So for me, it's nothing high probability where I can say like, okay, if I'm looking at this weekly, this weekly is showing me up. It doesn't show me that. It's still to me, it's showing it's still down from a weekly perspective. Hmm. Yes, big move last week, but still no confirmation that we're going up. Just like YM, this is no swing point. Need it. Need this week candle to give me this. Then I could be looking up higher. Until then, just follow the trend. It's going, which is lower. Higher time frame does not stay up yet. This is a monthly candle. Came into that monthly gap. Huge bounce. But the higher time frame does not stay up yet. 4 hour. Yeah. April 5th. The way Friday ended, like really only 4 days last week. Like, if it, in my opinion, I would wait to see what if I was anxious. I would wait to see what tonight gives because we could open up and be down here, open up and be up here. I would seriously wait to see what the market gives, especially with Friday only being it didn't open at all basically. So you got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday last week, and I think we're gonna finish out that move we was doing on Friday. But see if we take our previous day high of Thursday, but I would just wait. Mm. Oh, thank you. See. Yeah, the same. Like and like it pays to just wait to see like if you're not sure, like just even if you don't mm, just wait. See how this candle might not have a decent real great trade this week. But if you get a swing, it's a high probability that we're going higher. Just need to confirm. There's nothing on this because this just tells me down. Man, swing here, down, 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 down. Now see what the next candle gives us. Huge monthly bounce that we did at the monthly gap, but need confirmation. Quick. Uh, I know people hit me about that competition. The some JD the submissions have to be by Friday, this Friday, since it was an off week last week, basically. Not a full week. This Friday before before the end of the day Friday, basically. What else? One account. I think that's also yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, because people ask me about that. Because at first it was going to be today, but it was no Friday with the market open and everything. So it's going to be this Friday basically, which is April. This Friday, 10th, 4/10, 2026. Hey yo, Greg P. Here you go here.
Hey, what's up?
You at church?
No, 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 no. I,
Hey, I was
I usually,
messing around with some uh with Claude this weekend.
Mm-hmm.
Man, it's wild. Like you know how we was talking about on here, like when you look at a, let's say you got a $2,500 drawdown, and just to keep that account, you divide by seven. That tell you how much you can risk per trade.
Yeah, yeah, I remember you going through it.
Yeah, I had made something with Claude where it automatically does that, and then also uh I just show it. Let me see it. Let's see. Hey, what's the crazy, like it took like it take longer thinking about what you want to write than just putting in the Claude. Like it took like an hour basically. Uh, do I got down here? Oh no, Miss Carol. We extended it to Friday because of that. There you go. Oh, extended. Hey, yo, Greg, you still there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay. Yeah. This shit is wild. Like I ain't never been a coder or nothing. I just put put some information into
You,
it, and this is what it gave me.
you vibe coding now.
It's just wild of what you can do when you adjust your imagination looking at stuff. You can see it.
Yeah, I can see it.
Yeah, like it's so wild because like uh, let's say because I look at like growing 15, then he's like 4,500, and then they show you how much you can risk per trade. Then also I like about it, like show you you know how like we had that sheet where it show you how many contracts, like this does it automatically when you calculate the stop loss. Then somebody asked me like why you do micros? I said because you when you starting out to especially on NQ in the morning, man, let's say you got let's say you got $2,000, man, $286. You can't do no money on that, man, in the York session. Get your hair blown off, man. It's just wild how what you can do when you just put some little knowledge, you write something down and they can draw it out for you. Like just wild. And then I like how like as you add a trade, so like you win, say you win $2,000, you log it, it increases. Then like say you lose a trade, $250, it moves it. It
Hey,
makes
what's this, boy? I'm coming on a little. What's it?
is what I put in the chat, man. Remember yesterday morning I put in there for you?
I ain't think I'm gonna check it. What's it? Sure.
What channel you put that in?
I hit him up personally for it. Look at it. But it's just wild, like and like it show you like this is how much you can risk per trade. Calculate your micros. You can use 62 micros for it's your stop loss. That's how much you can use. It's just wild. Then like you get payout. You put how much you got paid. And take it from there and everything. It's wild, man. Hey, what's so crazy? I was talking to somebody. I said, "What took what would take a team of maybe 100 people, couple weeks, man, you doing like an hour. Somebody say it's a stop loss.
Told y'all on the side.
Somebody say it's a stop loss in dollars or ticks. Oh no, this is ticks. So you're like, this is ticks. So you measure and it's especially on NQ, like if it tell you 50 tick stop loss. So you can use up to here. Just wow what you can do. I
You did
look
the
at
whole thing.
you said what?
You did the whole thing in Claude.
Yep.
I want to do something like that and be able to journal, upload
Yeah.
screenshots.
Yeah, what's so wild is like I put what I was thinking in Claude, and then Claude had me. They put out a script basically. They sent out a script, and then I had to download a free because I could have just had it where it just go, but for this stuff, this is like a website basically. So you gotta host a little GitHub free thing, put it on there and everything. And it was crazy, like in Claude, I just said how I do that, and it give like steps. See, and I look at like say you start off and because you know what I mean, I was crunching some numbers like say you okay, everybody usually got 50K, let's go to 50K. But I'll look at it for growth, which I think it's 2,000 take profit. So say you take 5 trades a week. Let's say you win 3, lose 3, but you're risking one to two, so you're risking 286. So let's say the first trade you win 600. Second trade you win, so you're risking 370. So second trade 1 to 2, you make 800. Next trade you lose, so 486. So you lose, oh yeah, 400. Next trade you win 420, say 800. 5 days, okay. Next trade you win another one, so you win 1,000. Nah, let's yeah, like it's just so wild, and like you calculate that out over a whole month, and then I look at like if you get, and I was talking to Andre about this, like you get the biggest account you can possible, and then you work your way up to it. Over time, you'll be able to use to the max amount of contracts. Hey, yo, Greg, you see that?
Yeah, that's it. That's it.
Rather than putting yourself in a box in a 25K or 50K, you get the biggest account. And let's say over time, you better work your way up to using the 15 on take profit in the trade. Going 1 and 2.
You still doing the daily payouts there, right?
Oh yeah, definitely.
And what you using as the buffer? 4,000, 5,000?
2,000. But I look at like building 150K up. Because this is just one account. You can have up to 5. Let's see what else I got in here. Get the payout. It's just wild what you can do with just a little bit of knowledge. I even got some black people up here, Greg. Just a little something. Oh, man, that's a quick zone today, man. Ain't nothing to talk about. The market only open 4 days. Start of the second quarter. Anybody got any questions? Hey, yo, Greg, you got questions?
Always got questions, but not right now.
I got you.
I'll send the account on Friday.
You said what?
See, I'll send the account for the contest on Friday. I'll probably have some questions before that.
Did you trade this Thursday?
Yeah, I traded Thursday and Friday.
Yeah, yeah. After the market closed on us at the last 9:15. What the fuck?
Yeah, I got it.
What the fuck? No questions? Hey man, I love these kind of zooms. Short and to the point. No questions? Concerns? Sure.